Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Gartner, and today I am excited to walk you through my project, Shopville AI-powered shopping assistant. So let's start with the problem. Traditional online shopping relies heavily on rigid keyword searches and opening dozens of tabs to compare products. This process is highly inefficient for budget-concise students and time-strapped professionals. And my focusing question for this project was this: how can we develop an AI-powered product finder that uses a pre-trained large language model to translate natural language into searchable queries? The goal was to build a bot that automatically finds and adds relevant products from the web, which completely eliminates the need for manual administrative data entry. My solution is an intuitive chat interface that understands natural language and creates live results in real time. So let's meet Shopville AI. So this is the core of the application that features a conversational UI. Under the hood, the intelligent agent driving this is the Google Gemini assistant. Users can interact with the app naturally. So for example, you can say find laptops under $500 or ask it to scrape a specific web page URL and summarize the product details. And alongside the chat interface, the application features an integrated cart management system and quick action shortcuts for assessing your history and saved items quickly. So how does this actually work? So let's take a look at the brains of the operation. So when a user enters a prompt, an Amazon real-time fetch is requested via Gemini. This system uses natural language processing to convert the user's conversational text into a structured JSON query. This formatted query allows for real-time Amazon web scraping to happen. In addition, I also placed a high priority on system action transparency, which ensures that users can see exactly what the AI is fetching on their behalf. During my planning phase, I evaluated a few extra dynamics. I decided that chat triggered dynamic UI themes where it could have, while a dynamic AI negotiation strike system was firmly categorized as a won't have for this iteration. So powering this automation is a dedicated backend processing environment. Um, I ran a Gemini Power Scraper server that facilitates seamlessly integration, and this is also a critical must-have for this backend engine, was as this was a live in between sync with Amazon to help ensure that the product data is always accurate. And moving over to the e-commerce flow, the application utilizes dynamic cart state management and secure form validation. This guarantees an end-to-end shopping experience. And looking at the feature prioritization for this flow, the first feature I had on there is that the shopping cart and checkout was a must-have. Then building out user accounts and order history was a should-have. And I also deliberately decided that a real payment gateway integration would be a won't have to help keep this scope focused. Now let's step behind the scenes and look at the admin panel, which is right here. So this dashboard provides a critical oversight that features a live audit feed specifically designed for AI tracking. It also handles user session management and dynamic inventory control. But when building the admin interface, several requirements were an absolute must-have. So first one was a secure admin dashboard with a deal approval, and then an AI-assisted CRUD inventory management, and then a dynamic CRUD inventory that is integrated with AI guardrails to help ensure a safe and predictable data handling. And then to wrap up, building the Shopville shopping site I feel like has successfully bridged the gap between AI and e-commerce. And throughout this project, I truly mastered the full stack integration of the shopping site. And with that, I would love to open the floor to any questions you might have as as I try to finalize um, my final plans of making this a official capstone app. And with that in particular, I'd be interested in your feedback on specific areas. So first, what should I change on my admin panel page? So should I get rid of like the add products? Should I add any more tabs on there? So so I would appreciate your feedback on that. Second, which aspects of my AI chat interface can be improved? So should I tighten up the coding? Should I should I if I'm missing something? I know I've been working on, especially with the Amazon web scraper. I know I've been definitely be working. I've been working on tightening up the on that coding uh, when I get the Amazon product cards scraped. So I know I've been improving on that, but I would like to have feedback if there's any other features I should improve on that. And then finally, moving forward, speaking of web scraping, should I try to have my AI bot web scrape other sites for products such as from Walmart, Target? So I like to have feedback on all those questions right there. And with that, I sincerely thank you for your time. Hope you have a great rest of your day.